Welcome to Willa's Kitchen. The ingredients are 1 carrot, cabbage, spicy jerk shrimp, some chopped green onions, and a pinch of ginger, sesame seeds, spaghetti and sweet and spicy sauce. Be sure to check the description box down below for the full measurements of the recipe. Step 1. Prepare the sauce. Add 1/4 cup of soy sauce into a bowl. One half teaspoon of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Sprinkle some pepper flakes, this is optional. A pinch of sesame seeds. 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Combine until the sugar is dissolved into the soy sauce and place aside. Step 2. Prepare the shrimp. Place the shrimps into a bowl. Wash them with water and lemon juice. Season the shrimps with powder seasons to taste. Add a pinch of Jamaican Jerk sauce, this is optional. Then combine together. After combining the shrimp and the seasonings together, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to a non-stick pan or a skillet. Place on the stove at medium temperature and allow the oil to hot. Add the shrimp to the hot pan with oil and stir fry for about 4 to 6 minutes until the shrimp is well done. If you are enjoying this video thus far, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You can add about 1/2 cup of water to the shrimps and allow the water to dry out. This is only if you are not comfortable with only the stir fry. Step 3. Prepare the spaghetti. Place a pot onto the stove with water on medium temperature and bring to a boil. Place some of the spaghetti into the pot and cook according to the package direction or according to your like. Step 4. Prepare the vegetables. Peel 1 medium-sized carrot, place into a bowl, along with 1 cup of diced or shredded cabbage, a pinch of ginger, 1 clove of garlic, and green onions, which I prepared off camera. Guys, follow me on Facebook at Willa's Kitchen and be sure to subscribe to my next channel at Willa's Creations. Step 5. Make the shrimp chow mein. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a non-stick pan or a skillet on low temperature. Combine all the vegetables into the pot by adding them one at a time and stir fry for 1 minute. Cover and leave to steam for 1 more minute. Add the cooked spaghetti to the pot. Stir fry and leave to cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low temperature. add the sauce and allow to slow cook for 1 to 3 minutes. Be sure to continue the mixing process while it is slow cooking to prevent it from sticking to the pan. Next, add the shrimps and stir fry, then leave for 1 minute. Serve warm and garnish with green onions and sesame seeds. I hope you will try this recipe and let me know how you like it.